Action FS here again. Nothing much. Alright, so you are welcome to my video, and it is another new banger week. I am going to be doing what I know how to do best. Alright, so nothing much, and it is a new week to do my weekly trading experience documentary. Alright, as I normally do in this episode. So let's see how this week is going to be. Today is currently Monday, and it is like 29th of December. So we got like just 3 days before the new year. Alright, so it's another new great week and nothing much. I am just going to be doing what I know how to do best. Alright, so show chat your chart so that chat will not forget to chat you. Alright, so nothing much. I'm just going to take you to my chart so I can show you what is currently going on there. Alright, so make sure you stay to the end of this video. Subscribe to this channel, because why? This is the only channel that can give you Forex insight for free, and it is legit. The information that I'm dropping in this particular documentary, if you can join it together, it will help your trading journey from point A to point D, or from point B to point C, or from point C to point D, whichever way, but it will shaping your trading in any way it can. Alright, so make sure you do it to stay to the end to see what I have this week. I don't know how this week is going to go, but I will document every trade I'm going to be taking in this particular episode, as I normally do. Alright, so nothing much, and I think I'll take you to my chart to show you what I am currently observing in the chart. Alright, see you in my chart, and make sure you do to subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment in the comment section to tell me or request what educational content I am going to do in the ending of this week. Alright, as I did last week. Alright, so nothing much, and you can just comment what you want to know about the whole Forex journey, and see you in the comment section and ask any question. Alright, nothing much. Let me take you to my chart. Show chat your chart so that chat will not forget to chat you. Alright, show chat your chart so that chat will not forget to chat you. Alright, nothing much, and today is currently Monday, 29th of December. Alright, and this is just the update in my chart. Alright, like I said earlier in my videos, I want to buy from this zone. I want to execute buy trade from this particular zone. Right, and this is currently GBP USD currency pair. Well, this is what I'm currently seeing in the chart. Price is doing what it wants to do around this particular zone, and this is just the update. So I don't know if price is going to come down to this zone. I don't know if price is going to come down to this particular zone before doing what it wants to do. But whichever way, I can't force the market to do what I expect. Alright, so like I said, it is currently the end season of the year, and this is what we normally see. Though this month I have catch like probably 2 winning trades or 3 winning trades this particular month, I won't lie. But in this particular season from 20, market has really been doing its own thing. So I won't say that it is my own will to take trade. Though I want to trade, I feel like I want to execute trade and know what is currently going on, but I have not seen a reason why to trade. That is just it. Alright, so it is what it is on GBP/USD, and this is just my update. Price has not really done anything, and I am still currently observing. Alright, so for Euro/USD, this is what I am currently seeing. As you can see, price is kind of casually going to the downside. Though I was looking for sales opportunity at this, before this particular stops. Like after price taking out this particular last low, I understood that yeah, the time for price to come to this particular demand zone has come. But guess what? I have not really seen a good opportunity for me to execute in the sales. So therefore, I will just be waiting for price to get to this demand zone before I execute a trade. But whichever way, if price choose to give me a great opportunity, clear opportunity, I will be selling Euro/USD to this zone. But for now, nothing much. I am just still observing this particular pair, and it is what it is. So my third pair, which is XAU/USD, gold. This is what happened, and I believe you can see it clearly, right? I believe you can see it clearly. So on my 1 hour time frame, to be precise, like if you watch throughout last week or throughout my previous videos or episode, I am talking about this particular gold trade, right? I've been talking about this trade, and without it being said, as you can see, price later on came to this particular zone, and I know most of you will be asking me why I knew that price was going to come to this particular zone and I did not just sell. This is not how Forex works. I knew that price is going to come this zone, but it doesn't warrant me to just take a sell opportunity, because I knew that price was going to come this zone. Because why? When you spot out at a zone, you just need to wait for price to get to that zone before you think of trading. Because why? Me identifying that I want to buy from this zone signifies that price is going to drop to the zone before I buy, but I don't know how. You understand? I really don't know how. So without it being said, price really dropped massively to the zone I wanted to buy from, and price is currently at the zone. So the reason why I am not in this particular trade is because why? Price did not give me my full confidence I need to see before I confirm that yes, it is good for me to risk on this particular trade, to know what is going to happen next. So that was it. I did not execute automatically, because why? I won't see why I did not execute, but if you are watching my previous video, I believe you should know why I did not enter this particular trade. Alright, on XAU/USD. That is yours. So it is what it is on this pair. Price came to the zone I want to buy from, but I'm not yet saying I'm going to buy because I did not see my full confidence in this particular trade. So I'll just leave this trade to do what it wants to do. It might start to buy, right? It might start to buy, but I don't know. That's something I don't know. But there are chances that price is going to continue buying from this particular zone. That is just it. So it is what it is. And let me say, even if I wanted to buy from this zone, I risk just highest. My maximum pips is actually 30 pips. let me try to put this stuff in 30. All right, so my maximum pips is actually 30 pips risk, and as you can see, price is actually dipping. Or let me know, the price actually dipped below 30 pips. So if I wanted to actually enter this particular trade, it would have been a losing trade for me. Price did not give me my structural liquidity, so that was the reason why I am not in this particular trade at the moment. And it was a great decision for me, because if I did enter, I would have lost, because my target, my plan, my rule is to risk at least 30 pips, right? It's to risk at least 30 pips. But in this particular trade, I won't lie to you, it did go below 30 pips and even more. So I am not in this particular trade, and it might start to go up from here. I don't really even know, but whichever way, it is just price chart, and I will not see my full confidence before I execute a trade. Though my plan this particular December was to catch 2 winning trades in gold in XAUUSD, but it didn't really happen because I did not see. Whichever way we go again, January. All right, so nothing much on this particular pair. I've updated you in this gold pair. Price has get to my zone, and it's even like, I wouldn't say that if I can't even tell at the moment if price is going to fill this zone. But if I did enter the trade, I would have been in lost. That's just the truth. I won't lie to you. So for Euro USD, I'm just waiting for price to keep doing what it wants to do until it gets to my extreme zone I want to buy from. All right, nothing much. So GBP USD, same thing. Let price continue doing what it wants to do until it gets to the zone I want to buy from. Nothing much. Alright, so it is what it is, and this is just my update for this particular pair, and it is what it is. Alright, so whenever I want to take Euro to come to this zone, I can wait. Because if I don't wait, I'm just going to dash chart my money. I'm not going to dash chart my capital or my numbers, whichever way. Alright, so it is what it is, and here's just my update in this particular pair. And I think you will see me in my next clip. Alright, chart, show chart to chart so that chart will not forget to chart you. Alright, see you in my next clip. Chart, show chart your chart so that chart will not forget to chart you. Alright, so today is currently Tuesday and the time is 8:54. Alright, so I'm currently in the gold trade, but I later used confirmation entry to enter this particular trade. Alright, so I'm currently in this particular gold trade at the moment, and nothing much. So I'm just going to see how this trade is going to unfold itself. Alright, so as you can see, GBP USD, it has really been consolidating from this zone. Alright, it has really been consolidating, and for Euro USD as well, you can see what price is currently doing in this particular pair. So price doesn't really get to the zone I want to buy from, right? So from XAUSD, I'm currently in this particular trade, and let me see how it goes. Alright, nothing much. So I'll keep you guys updated, and just make sure you do well to subscribe. and stay to the end, so you can see how this trade is going to end in this particular week. All right, this is the only trade I've taken this week, and the week is just getting started. All right, let's see how it goes. All right, chart, should chart your chart so that chart will not forget to chart you. All right, so this is the XAU USD trade, and here is the current update in this particular trade. All right, so I've been in this trade for the past how many hours? I've been in this trade for the past, I entered this trade 8 p.m. yesterday, and the time is currently 11 o'clock, and the time is currently 12:32 p.m. so approximately I've been in this trade for over 8 to 9 hours. All right, if I'm not mistaken, or 10 hours, whichever way. All right, so and today is currently Tuesday, like I said earlier, and here is just the current updates in this particular gold opportunity. Though like if you watch the first part of this episode, I thought I wasn't even going to enter this trade, right? Because due to what happened earlier, price dipped below the zone I want to buy from. So I was thinking that, oh, this zone might just fail and continue selling to the downside. But what happened was that price started to give confirmation entry in lower time frame, which I observed. All right, then I said, oh, this zone might hold, so I decided to buy gold from this zone, and this was my plan since last week. So even when giving up in this particular trade, it later turned up for me. So this is just going to be the first gold trade I'll be taking in this particular December, and my target was 2, but if I can catch one and win it, I think I am okay with it. All right, so nothing much, and let's just see how this particular trade is going to end. All right, so update on GBP/USD. Update on GPS. This is what I'm just currently seeing in this particular pair consolidation at this point. Not seeing much on EUR/USD. This is what I'm also seeing. This price is kind of consolidating, but it is kind of trending down a little bit. So let's just see how it goes. I'll be buying from this zone whenever price gets to the zone, whichever way. I'll just have to stay patient. All right, even before I even enter this particular trade, I've been waiting since 2 weeks. So that's just how patient I have to be. Not seeing much. All right, so it is what it is, and we'll just see how this particular gold trade is going to end. I just hope it ends a win, but though even if it starts to reverse to my stop loss zone, I am not going to lose this particular trade. I might end up making 0.5% of this particular account in this trade, because I already secured partial, because this is like the first trade I am taking in this particular account, and I won't want to lose it. I want to make sure I end that first trade for psychological reasons in a win. So whichever way, if this trade starts to go up, it's just going to be more profit for me at the moment. All right, so nothing much, and I'll just see you in my next clip. All right, make sure you subscribe and show chart your chart so that chart will not forget to chart you. All right, see you in my next clip, fam. All right, chart, show chart your chart so that chart will not forget to chart you. All right, so here is just the update in this particular gold trade. Not seeing much. All right, it is what it is. I can say probably this trade might end a winning trade, whichever way. All right, so this is just the update, and I'm still observing the chart. All right, let's just see how it goes. Price has already given me close to my target. Let me see. I've already gotten like 60 pips in this particular trade, 64 pips in this particular trade. So I'm just waiting for more. All right, I won't say I'm greedy because it is actually my target. All right, so I'll just be observing and see what comes from here. All right, nothing much. See you in my next clip. Chat, show chat your chat, so that chat will not forget to chat you. All right, so I think I'll just be closing this trade from here and just call it a day, because I've already been in this trade for over 16 hours, if I'm not mistaken. Though I'm not tired of being in the trade, but because this account is my first, this is my first trade, so I really want to make sure I close that first trade in profit. All right, for some reasons, and it is what it is. So I'll be closing this trade now, and it is what it is. All right, so I ended up making over 1.1% in this particular trade, and it is a great thing for me. All right, nothing much, and it is what it is. That's come to the end of this particular trade, and I will see you in my next trade. All right, I'm not having any opportunity now, though the opportunities I have is actually still pending on GBP USD. Price hasn't get to my zone, and same thing on Euro USD. Price is still trying to go to the downside to this particular zone I want to buy from. So nothing much, and this is just my observation. One trade already this week, one being nothing much. All right, so I'll just see you guys in my next clip, and let's see how it goes. All right, and make sure you do all to show chat your chat, so that chat will not forget to chat you. Alright, so if you want to know the propfirm I am using, right, if you want to know the propfirm I use, if you want to use the same propfirm I am using, you can just check the link in my description. Alright, you can see the Naira Trader. That's one of the propfirm I am using, though I did not execute this trade in that account due to some reasons, but you can use that particular propfirm. It is one thing I assure you, right? Naira Trader, you can just check the link in my description and make sure you open your account from that link, get an account, and start making your first money or first payout from them. Alright, it is what it is, and it is a great trade for me. First trade in this account, and it is a win. I rarely see this type of thing in my own trading experience. First trade of an account, and I won it. So nothing much, and I'll just see you guys in my next clip. Alright, let's see how it goes. Chat, show chat your chat, so that chat will not forget to chat you. Alright, so nothing much, and it is another banger day, and today is currently Wednesday, the 31st of December 2025. Alright, so this is going to be the last day of this year, and guess what, it is currently dripping outside. Alright, so nothing much, and here is just the update in my chat. Here is just the update in my chat, and as you can see, price is gradually dropping to the downside, to the zone I want to buy from. As you can see, gradually the price is dropping to the downside, to the zone I want to buy from. So let's just see how this one goes, and nothing much on GBP USD at the moment. I'm still observing this pair. So here comes Euro USD. Euro USD. Here is what Euro USD did. Probably because the rain is kind of drizzling at the moment. So the service is kind of a bit creepy, but not so much. All right, so Euro USD, as you can see, here is what happened in this particular pair. Price came over less than 2 pips above my entry, which this zone I was supposed to buy from. This zone, like I've been saying, if you have been watching my clip from the beginning, I wanted to buy from this particular zone, and as you can see, price just got to that zone, close to that zone, about 1 or 2 pips. Let's see, okay, 1.8 pips, and the price start to buy. All right, so nothing much, and this is just the update I have on Euro USD, and as you can see, the service is actually interrupting at the moment. All right, so for XAU USD, all right, so the service is back, and as you can see, 1 pip above my entry, and price went to the upside. I don't know what's going to happen in this pair. I'm still thinking if I am actually going to enter this trade again if price get to this zone. I'm not sure I'm going to enter this trade again if price get to this zone eventually, but if I see series of signs around this zone, I might enter. All right, I might enter, but if I don't see price continue to drop to the downside, I will just leave this particular Euro USD trade. All right, so for XAU USD trade, for XAU USD, nothing much, and as you can see, okay, I really don't have any opportunity in this pair now after winning XAU USD yesterday. All right, so I actually don't have this opportunity. And let me talk something about this opportunity. See, in this opportunity, in this particular trade on XAU USD, I won't say I took this trade yesterday. No, this trade was actually executed on Monday, but the trade delivered yesterday. All right, so in this particular trade, I was supposed to target here. I think my target was somewhere around here. Yeah, my target was somewhere around here, approximately 3RR. That was actually my target in this particular XAU USD trade. But because this trade was actually the first trade I am taking in one of my accounts, $10,000 account that I did a screen record about, right? This trade was the first trade I'm taking in that account. So seeing like over 1% profit in that account, 1.1% profit in that account, and ending that account in loss is going to be a very, very big psychological mess for me. So guess what? I choose to close around this zone, and I won't lie, I made the best decision closing from this particular zone yesterday. I made the best decision closing from this zone yesterday. Though it wasn't in my plan, though, I won't lie, because my plan was to get 3R, but minimum I take 2R. Right, minimum I take 2R, but I actually ended up winning this trade yesterday, because even this trade was actually a losing trade if I did not exited this trade from this zone. So I ended up winning it yesterday because I followed my emotional plan. That was just it. I ended up winning the trade. So nothing much. I won't say I'm lucky this time around, because why? I am just meant to win. Nothing much. So it is what it is for my pairs. GBP USD is currently going to the downside and approaching the zone I am expecting to buy from. Let's see how it goes. Euro USD got to close to our zone and went up like just few pips, and it did not tap my pending order, and it went up. So I have deactivated that order, I won't lie, and I'll just wait. I'm just going to wait and see what price does whenever I get to this particular zone. All right, so it is what it is. It is a banger, and make sure you comment what you are benefiting from my weekly trading experience episode. All right, nothing much, and that's come to the end of this particular clip, and see you in my next clip. Chat, show chat your chat so that chat will not forget to chat you. All right. Alright, so the rain is currently drizzling on 3p, whichever way. And it is currently 31st of December and the last day of 2025. As you can see, this is going to be the last train of this year. Like, this thing is kind of making me feel it is spiritual, I won't even lie. Because how we rain before the 31st of 2025. Kind of making me feel it is spiritual. But whichever way, tell me what you think about this rain falling on the 31st of December 2025. Alright, chat, show chat your chat so that chat will not forget to chat you. Alright, but this time around I am angry with chat. I am angry with chat this time around because chat just betrayed me. Alright, so the time is currently 8:06 p.m. and it is about 3 to 4 hours for the new year 2026 to begin. What do you have in this new year? What how will I even put it? What is your new year evolution or resolution in this particular new year? Yeah, I don't have any though. Nothing much. Alright, so this is just the update in my chat. As you can see, chat betrayed me again in GBP USD, which I really don't know why they did this, but it is what it is. This is what they normally do whenever they want to mess traders up. Alright, because the funny thing is that I marked this other block from the high to the low. I marked this particular other block from the high to the low. Alright, and if I did not mark this particular other block well, I would have said okay, I was wrong, I did not mark the other block well, but I vividly marked it well. As you can see, I even probably marked the other block with it. I probably even marked the other block with it, but still yet price did not trigger me in this particular trade. Alright, it is what it is. I got betrayed by my two most traded pair, which is Euro USD and GBP USD, in the same day. It is very, very crazy, I won't even lie. This is how they came for me at the 31st of December, and guess what? I am over them all. So this is the Euro USD, the same outcome. Price actually did not mitigate this other block, and as you can see, I marked this other block from the high to the low as well. As you can see, price really did not tap it in, and bros, I won't lie, it is a betrayal. But nothing much. I'll just let the chart do what it wants to do. I have no business controlling the chart. I am just doing my thing. Alright, nothing much, and it is already a banger week for me. Even if I did not take this particular two trades, I am fine with it. And tomorrow is going to be bank holidays. I don't know for Friday if price is actually going to move, but whichever way, I think I will just back off from the chart from now. I won't even look at chart till next tomorrow, because I know how this type of things operates. Alright, this is just a manipulation to mess so many traders up, but I'm over them all. Alright, nothing much, and I think I've updated you guys for my two pairs, and I think it is high time to just leave the chart to do what it wants to do, whichever way. Alright, so I'll just see you in my next clip for the next update. These opportunities I waited for how many days? I waited for this opportunity for like, I started waiting for this opportunity on the 22th of December. Today, look at what happened. This is part of the experience we passed through as a professional trader. Nothing much. Alright, so see you in my next clip, and and happy new year to you in advance. Alright, nothing much. Chat, show chat your chat so that chat will not forget to chat you. Alright, so nothing much, and it is GBP USD, and today is currently Thursday, and the time is currently 11:21 p.m. Alright, nothing much. So I later concluded that I'm going to execute this particular GBP USD trade. I'm just going to reset my pending order because I actually deleted it yesterday or the day before yesterday due to price actually came close to my entry point and moved due to the upside. So I took it like, okay, this trade might actually be invalid due to what happened. But with my past experiences, I've seen something like this happen a couple of times and price will still deliver, but sometimes it might hit stop loss. So I'm just going to be risking in this particular trade on two of my accounts, and nothing much. It is just the current update. So for the Euro USD, I'm just going to let that one go, but for GBP USD, I think I'll be risking this particular trade. Alright, nothing much. Not even I think I am risking in this particular trade. Nothing much. So the price might come to this zone. Price might come to this zone again. Right, price might come to this zone and choose to deliver, or it might just continue going to the downside. But meanwhile, I have this particular zone here. Right, so let's just see how this experience is going to be. Nothing much. I've experienced this thing a couple of times, like countless of times in my whole journey and experience. So nothing much. Let's just see how this one goes. Alright, so I'll just keep you guys updated, and make sure you do well to subscribe to this channel because I am dropping valuable information for you in this channel for free and you won't even know. So nothing much, and see you in my next clip. Chat, show chat your chat so that chat will not forget to chat you. Alright, so the time is currently 1:51 p.m. on Friday, 2nd of January, right? And as you can see, I am currently in this particular Euro USD trade. Yeah, I later entered this trade for some reasons, for some confluence. Alright, like I later found out that this stuff right here was a liquidity or inducement for these buyers. Right, for these buyers right here. So my plan was, okay, if price come back to that zone, I won't enter aggressively. I will wait for some type of reactions before I enter. So lo and behold, this is what I'm currently seeing, and I am in this particular trade in one of my accounts at the moment. Alright, so nothing much, and I'll just keep you guys updated. And for GBP USD, I have same plan on GBP USD too. Once price get to this particular zone, I will wait for some type of reaction, then I will buy. So that's just it. Alright, nothing much. And for XAUSD, I'm still waiting for this high to be taken, this particular high to be taken before I consider a buy. But whereas there's funny thing happening in this particular space. To be like, I'm using like different companies in my trading view, and they're actually showing different chart, and it's actually crazy. So nothing much, and this is just the update at the moment, and I will keep you guys updated. Alright, see you in my last clip. Alright, chat, show chat your chat so that chat will not forget to chat you. Alright, this is the current update in this particular Euro USD trade I executed today, which is Friday. Alright, let us see how this trade is going to end. Nothing much. Alright, see you in my next clip. Alright, chat, show chat your chat so that chat will not forget to chat you. Alright, so this is just like the current update in this particular Euro USD trade. And guess what? I think we are about to lose this particular trade after 4 winning streak. So nothing much, and let's just see how this one goes. I thought the trade was going to continue going to the upside by that time, that earlier today, which I think in my last clip, right, if you are watching it. So the trade ended up just reacting to the upside, and right now it is reversing now. Without it being said, I have like 99% chance of losing this trade. I won't even lie to you. So I don't know if it's going to happen today or it's going to happen next week, but whichever way, I'll continue keeping you guys updated. And the time is currently 8:34 p.m. on Friday, so the market is going to be closing from short time from now, about 2 or 1 hour from now. The chart is good, the market is going to be closing. So see you guys next week, and it has come to the end of this particular episode. This episode is like one of the longest episodes I have. I don't even know how come, but whichever way, if you stay to the end of the video, congratulations, and I also appreciate you for that, because you are going to become the 1% or 5% trader soon. Because staying to the end of this video shows that you have so much interest in trading. That is why you are able to stay. So if you stay in something, I'll show you that you are going to be a pro trader soon. Alright, nothing much, and you can just, whenever I watch this video, because I'm going to be posting it 7 a.m. tomorrow, so whenever I watch it, you can just comment whatever you want me to, what educational content you want me to drop. So probably on my next clip, my next video I'll be posting probably on Sunday. I'm going to be actually talking about how you get your market bias, your directional bias. Alright, so nothing much, and you can comment anything you've learned in this episode, and anything you want to understand, anything you don't really understand, you can just comment, and I'm always in the comment section to answer your questions. Alright, nothing much. So see you in my next episode, and make sure you enjoy your weekend. And again, congratulations to us, because we just hit the 100 subscribers on YouTube. So I want to thank you all my subscribers. Alright, I want to thank you all my subscribers, and make sure as you are subscribing to this channel, make sure you are doing well to follow up in this channel so that you won't lose track. Because you subscribing and not following the channel is going to be like you are wasting your subscription and all that. So you need to like try to follow and get in track with the channel, so that whenever I drop any video, you can gain 1 or 2 insights from it. Alright, so thank you all, and we just hit 100 subscribers, and I do appreciate you. If you are a subscriber to this channel, I really appreciate you, and I have more good things coming for you people this particular new year 2026 we are currently in. Alright, nothing much. Alright, so that's come to the end, and see you in my next episode.